The West Wing is a desirable lakefront home that will be a fantastic spot for a deep creek retreat. With a regal and elegant atmosphere, there are interesting elements around every corner. The formal dining room has an extended dining table that seats 12. In front of the warm fire, admire your surroundings with good food and conversation. The kitchen is fully equipped with stainless steel appliances and lots of granite counter space. Lit beautifully by natural light, the great room has a stone fireplace and a huge flat screen. The main level master suite is spacious with a king bed, big screen TV, and a double-sided fireplace that also faces the master bath, which has 2 sink vanities, a deluxe tile shower, and an inviting jetted tub. This home has 4 more bedrooms and 4.5 more bathrooms. Head out to the deck, which extends along the front of the home, fire up the grill, and take in the stunning sights. The lower level is a recreational paradise. Enjoy a game of pool or ping pong. Sink into the cozy couches in front of the wood-burning fireplace. Challenge your friends to foosball or poker. Get your drinks and candy ready in the lower-level kitchen and head into the theater room for movie watching in style. Burn off some of those calories in the exercise room. The kids will love playing on the grassy lawn and on the playset. Keep an eye on them from the soothing hot tub. Spend your days under the sun on your private dock. You will be less than 3 miles from the ASCI Whitewater Complex and Wisp Resort. A little further are many area attractions. Call today and reserve the West Wing for a deep creek experience you'll never forget.